Alright, so now you're listening to the G-Track Pro non-edited audio. This is directly from the box. This is the raw audio from the microphone. I am on the 50% volume right now. Also, I am on the Cardio 8 poly pattern, which is the most popular one. So as you know, the microphone has three poly patterns. So we have the Cardio 8, the most popular one, which everybody is using. Also, we have the Figure 8. If you have a guest, or let's say if you do a podcast with someone else, and if you do interviews as well. So the Figure 8 is basically, if you have a guest, the microphone will pick the sound from the back and on the front, nothing so much on the sides. And also the omnidirectional is very good if you want to record, let's say, in a room with a bunch of people. The omnidirectional is very good if you do, let's say, a group meeting, and let's say you want to discuss the budget of 2022. I don't know. But yeah, the omnidirectional is very good if you do, let's say, group meetings. The Figure 8, pretty explanatory, very easy. Figure 8, like the number 8. You talk front and the back if you have a guest. And the most popular one is the Cardio 8 poly pattern, which is used only if you talk to the microphone directly. So this is the audio from G-Track Pro, no edited audio. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.